بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسولنا الكريم صلى الله عليه وسلم. بداية أحييكم وأتمنى لكم يوما دراسيا جميلا إن شاء الله، وتقبل الله صيامكم في هذا الشهر الكريم، وأعاد الله رمضان علينا سنوات عديدة ومديدة إن شاء الله، ونحن ووطننا وبلادنا بألف خير وصحة وعافية إن شاء الله، وأبعد عنا كل الأوبئة والأمراض. بالنسبة لدرس اليوم مع أحبتي الطلبة، إذن good morning everybody. Our lesson today is integration by parts. Outcomes learning: find the given integration by parts, gain positive direction for real life. Okay. Here I will explain how to get this role for integration by parts. Do you remember the product rule? This is a product rule. Product rule, product of two functions f of x, g of x. If find the first derivative of a product two function, the first derivative of the first function times the second function plus the first function times the derivative of the second function. This is a product rule. Yes, product rule. Do you remember it? I think yes. If we take integration for both sides, for this side and this side, like this. Okay. Here, ignoring the constant of integration. As you see, yes. This is the integral. What integral? This is derivative. If integral this, we can give you, this is give us what? F of x times g of x. Okay, this. Okay. U is equal integral f prime of x times g of x dx plus integral what? Integral f of x g prime of x. We can move this to another side, change the signal like this. F prime of f of x times g of x dx. This is the product rule. This is finally usually if you want to write the using notation u, we can use u as f of x function, and v is equal to g of x, then du f prime of x dx, and dv derivative of v. What is the v? F g prime of x dx. Can substitute, we can get it this. The final formula, integral u dv equal uv minus integral v du. This is integration by parts. This is the formula we can use for all exercises. For example, integration by parts. For example, here we can write this before to solve this question. Evaluate integral x sine x dx. The formula here, integral you see here u dv, integral u dv equal what? U times v, okay, minus integral v du. This is the formula for integration by parts, u dv. with which u here. I can suppose or assume u equal x. Then du equal what? Equal dx. Yes. dv here in the integral like u dv, ux dv here. This is u dv. Okay. dv here sine x, sine x. Okay, dx. Okay. I can integral here. Integral integral dv v both side, integral for the both side, negative cosine x. This is the, ignore the constant of integration. Continue. I can substitute in, this is in the formula. Here x sine x dx what equal u times v, which u x, v minus x cosine x. This is u times v. Okay, u, this is u, this is v. Okay, it's good. Minus integral v du, which v minus minus positive cosine x dx. You can find this is minus x cosine x, integral cosine equal plus sine x. This is the integral x sine x dx plus here you can plus c. This is the formula. I think for this is good.